Welcome to Review Rumble. The best fishing box is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any angler, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, offering a convenient and organized way to store and transport all your fishing essentials, from lures and hooks to lines and tools, ensuring you have everything you need right at your fingertips when you hit the water, making your fishing trips more enjoyable and productive. Number 5. TOPFORT 343 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit. Discover a comprehensive fishing kit designed to equip you for any angling adventure. It includes a vast array of essential accessories to enhance your fishing experience. Crafted from anti-corrosion stainless steel, these accessories are built for durability. They offer superior strength and resistance, ensuring you can confidently reel in your catch. Featuring a variety of high-quality fish hooks and weights in different sizes, this set is perfect for various fishing conditions. You'll have the right gear for any situation. Keep all your fishing gear neatly organized in the included low-profile tackle box. Its durable, heavy-duty construction and secure locking mechanism make it easy to carry and protect your equipment. With customizable compartments and excellent waterproof performance, this tackle box ensures everything stays in place. Easily find the right lure for every occasion and be ready for your next fishing trip. This all-in-one fishing kit makes an ideal gift for any fishing enthusiast. Provide them with the ultimate set of tools for their passion. What we like. This kit offers an extensive variety of fishing accessories, ensuring you have the right tool for any situation. Its anti-corrosion stainless steel construction guarantees durability, even in saltwater environments. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that keeps everything organized and protected from the elements, this is an excellent choice for anglers who demand versatility and longevity from their gear. What people say. This fishing box is a great value for the money. It comes with a lot of tackle included. The box is very durable and has plenty of compartments to organize all your fishing gear. I love how compact and lightweight this fishing box is, making it easy to carry around. Number 4. PLUSINNO All-in-One Fishing Tackle Box. This all-in-one fishing kit comes with 263 essential items, including hooks, weights, spinner blades, and bobbers. It's designed to help you get your bait to the right depth, attract fish, and resist abrasion, all while keeping everything organized in its tackle box. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this kit is built to resist corrosion, even in seawater. The premium materials are chosen to attract more fish, making it easier for you to reel in your catch and giving you confidence in your gear. This fishing gear comes in a compact box, measuring just 7.9 by 5.5 by 0.8 inches. It's easy to carry in your fishing seat box or backpack, allowing you to enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you want without bulky equipment. The large, organized tackle box keeps all your fishing accessories in order. Each item has its own compartment with a cover for easy identification and access, ensuring a stress-free fishing experience. Looking for the ideal gift for a fishing enthusiast? This complete kit is suitable for both beginners and experienced anglers. It's the perfect present for any occasion, offering endless hours of relaxation and excitement on the water. What we like. This all-in-one pack provides essential fishing accessories, perfect for both freshwater and beginners. Crafted with premium, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last. If you value portability and a well-organized kit that's easy to carry on any fishing trip, this option is ideal for those who want convenience without sacrificing quality. What people say. This fishing box is a great starter kit for beginners, as it includes a good variety of tackle. The box itself is sturdy and well organized, making it easy to find what you need. It's convenient to have everything in one place, saving time and effort when preparing for a fishing trip. Number 3. PLUSINNO 397 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for both seasoned anglers and beginners. It includes everything you need, with 12 different fishing rigs and a wide variety of essential accessories. Keep your gear protected with this heavy-duty, watertight tackle box. It features a secure latch, customizable compartments, and a design that allows it to float if dropped in water. Create 12 different fishing rigs to adapt to any fishing situation. This versatile set works effectively in both saltwater and freshwater, and in all water layers, for various fish species. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these fishing accessories are built to last. They are resistant to deformation, corrosion, and wear, ensuring a longer service life. Surprise the fishing enthusiast in your life with this essential kit. It makes a thoughtful gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion for your husband, dad, or brother. What we like. This kit stands out with its ability to create 12 different fishing rig combinations, catering to various fish species and water conditions. The durable, watertight tackle box even floats, ensuring you won't lose your gear. If you're an angler who enjoys experimenting with different rigs and wants the peace of mind that comes with a secure, buoyant tackle box, this set is a fantastic companion for your fishing adventures. What people say. The kit comes packed with an impressive selection of 264 or 397 pieces, offering everything from hooks, swivels, and sinkers to lures, beads, and fishing line clips. This wide variety ensures that you're always prepared for any type of fishing, whether it's freshwater or saltwater, and whether you're targeting bass, trout, catfish, or other species. The hooks are sharp and strong, and I haven't had any issues with them bending or breaking during use. The swivels work smoothly, and the split rings are securely attached. Even the plastic boxes that hold the components are sturdy and well organized, with individual compartments to keep everything separated and easy to find. The components are well organized within a durable, compartmentalized box, making it easy to grab exactly what I need without rummaging through a cluttered tackle box. The accessories work seamlessly with my existing fishing gear, and the hooks and lures are simple to attach to the line. Number 2. Plano Ready Set Fish 3-Tray Tackle Box. Get ready for your next fishing adventure with this all-in-one tackle box. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. The cantilever tray extends to reveal up to 34 compartments, keeping all your gear neatly organized and easy to find. This set includes a vacuum-formed tray filled with 180 pieces of starter tackle. You'll have plenty of options for any fishing trip. A brass-bailed latch ensures secure closing, keeping your tackle safe and sound. It's built to last for many fishing excursions. Featuring a stylish aqua blue lid and a tan base, this tackle box looks as good as it performs. It's the perfect companion for anglers. What we like. This tackle box features a classic 3-tray cantilever design that opens up to reveal 22 to 34 compartments, offering excellent visibility and organization for your tackle. It comes with 180 pieces of starter tackle, making it a great option for those just beginning their fishing journey. If you appreciate a traditional, easy-to-access layout and want a solid box with a good amount of initial gear, this is a practical choice for keeping your essentials tidy. What people say. Small, yet holds a ton of stuff. 3 trays. And a deep bottom. Easy to use. Plenty of room. Very versatile. Nice weight. Very durable. I was surprised to find that it included some fishing hooks, bait etc. Number 1. TCMBY 327-piece Fishing Lures Tackle Kit. Introducing the TCMBY 327-piece fishing kit, designed for anglers of all levels. It includes everything you need to target a wide variety of fish in any water condition. This comprehensive set offers an incredible selection of lures and baits. From crankbaits to soft worms and everything in between, you'll find the perfect option for any fishing scenario. Our lures feature realistic 3D eyes and ultra-realistic patterns to fool even the most discerning fish. They are crafted from durable, anti-corrosion materials for long-lasting performance. Everything comes neatly organized in a compact, double-layer tackle box. It's easy to carry, fitting perfectly into your backpack or seat box, so you can fish whenever and wherever you like. Looking for a great gift for the angler in your life? This versatile fishing set is ideal for any occasion, suitable for both freshwater and saltwater enthusiasts. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 327 pieces, including a wide array of lures with lifelike 3D eyes designed to attract a variety of fish. Its high-quality, anti-corrosion stainless steel and durable plastic construction ensure it can handle various water conditions. If you're looking for a diverse selection of realistic lures and a kit built for longevity, this is a superb choice for anglers who want to maximize their chances of a successful catch. What people say. This fishing box is very sturdy and well-made, with plenty of compartments for organizing lures and gear. The included tackle is a great value, with a good assortment of hooks, weights, and lures that are perfect for beginners. I love how compact and lightweight this fishing box is, making it easy to carry to my favorite fishing spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.